Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my March Petit Vour unboxing, but before we get into that, let's talk about a couple products. So firstly, I have Ultraviolence Eye Dust from Medusa's Makeup on my eye, and I think it's lovely. I paired it with a little bit of purple eyeliner on my waterline, and I think it's really popping. I think eyeshadow eyeliner is really the only way I can get away with purple this close to my face. It doesn't mean it's on my face because most of the time I look horrendous in light purple, but this is gorgeous and I think it's really pretty. I just love this. So pretty, and I didn't really get any fallout with this, which was really nice because I wasn't particularly careful. I just kind of threw it on. I'm also wearing, and you'll see in my upcoming vlog where I purchased this, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Magic Touch Concealer in the color 2. I've got that. I've just been looking for a more, not emollient concealer, just something a little creamier, a little hydrating for days when it's like really dry in Baltimore. We're in that weird weather. It'll be humid AF soon, but sometimes I just need something a little different than the Joair stick. So got this. This is my first try with it. I will say, I don't know how these girlies in all the videos be painting their concealer on and just blending it out. Like, I put on a couple of dots and I felt like it was too much. So I don't know what these people are doing, but good for them. But yeah, it seems to be a good color match. Maybe a hair light. I might need to get another one if it's something I plan on using into the summer, because being as light as I am and this being light on me, if I get any sun, this is going to be way too light. So I may have to bump up to 3 or whatever the other color equivalent to this. I don't remember if this was like neutral or warm or cool or whatever. But otherwise, I like it. I think it's nice so far. I'm going to give it a few more tries and really feel it out to see if it's something I can see myself using long term. But as of right now, first use, we're okay. We're good. I think we're alright. I'm also wearing my new earrings from Deconstruct. I will link them down below. I love these. They are the artists that I look forward to the most every year for the American Craft Council convention. And they just make the coolest jewelry. I love these. So definitely check these out. I was like on the fence of getting pink ones too, but I think the white ones are really my vibe right now. So let's go ahead and get into the box. Here is our card this month. Kind of a floral and fauna type design on a terracotta card. We are getting 4 products, so let's go ahead and get into them. The first one I've grabbed here is from Juice Beauty, which you guys know I am not really fond of that brand, but we'll see what it is. This is the Prebiotics Tartaric and Iris Instant Flash Facial. So I'm going to go ahead and read the box because I have no idea what that means. Is it a mask? Is it something you leave on like a lotion? Is it a cleanser? Yeah, facial kind of leaves a lot to be desired as far as a description goes. So let me go ahead and read this a little and I'll be right back. Okay, after reading it, it seems like it's supposed to be an exfoliator and cleanser in one, with the intent being that you massage it on and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse off. So you get the 2 to 3 minutes of exfoliation and then you clean it off and it's cleansed your face as well. Given that it's something that they intend for you to leave on, there are some items in here that I'm just not fond of. So this will be going into the giveaway box. And the description for the Juice Beauty product. This is the Prebiotics Instant Flash Facial, a $10 value. A facial exfoliating mask and cleanser all in one. Reveal softer skin with exfoliating plant beads, tartaric acid, and lime caviar, while the Prebiotics Biofermented Complex helps balance the microbiome for smoother or softer skin. So yeah, this is not something I'm going to use. Anytime I see orange peel oil in anything, I'm just kind of turned off. So this is going to be going to one of you. And the next item in this box is from another brand that I just generally don't like most of the stuff they put out. It is Goldfaden MD's Needleless Line Smoothing Concentrate. But I do think I've used this before. I don't remember it, but I do think I've used it before. So let's read the description. This is a $15 value for 4 milliliters. That seems kind of exorbitant, personally. The ultimate non-invasive solution to prevent and reduce the appearance of fine lines. In a consumer study, over 80% agreed that needleless reduced fine lines and increased skin suppleness for long-lasting results. So, as always, I'm going to read the ingredients. So this actually is a really short and really not offensive ingredient list, so I probably will keep this and give it a try again, because I'm fairly certain I've tried this before, but I just don't remember it. The next item we have is from Andalou Naturals. This is the 1000 Roses Moroccan Beauty Oil, and it says it's for sensitive skin. The description says this is a $21 value for 1 ounce, which seems to be on the higher end pricing for Andalou Naturals. A silky, lightweight beauty oil with alpine rose stem cells that delivers dermal vitality and pomegranate oil rich in tannins, and there's a lot of ands in this. This is written really poorly. And polyphenols that uplift, tone, and deeply moisturize skin. So is the intent for this to go on your face or on your body? Yes. The intent is for this to go on your face. So I'm going to be giving this away too, because literally starting at the bottom of the ingredients list going up, it's orange oil, rose oil, just things I don't put on my face. So this will go to one of you guys as well. The last item in the box is from Fit Glow Beauty, and this is the Plum Lash Primer. So does it mean it's the color plum? Or there's some sort of plum ingredients in here? That's very interesting. Let's read the description. So this is a $28 value for 8 grams. This is the highest value item in the box. And it says a lash conditioning primer that instantly coats your lashes with superfood ingredients for fuller, thicker, and stronger lashes naturally. The plum-hued formula delivers a clump-free, volumizing lift and seamlessly blends in with mascara without compromising color. So I guess it's plum colored so that you know where it is, so you can coat it, but it's dark enough to where it shouldn't disrupt anything you put on or be distracting. Let's see if I can get it open with just my fingernail here. There we go. Let's take a look to see how purpley this thing really is. So the packaging's really cute, kind of plum metallic, really short wand. I don't know how I feel about that. And it is very plum. It's kind of got like a brownie plum hue to it, so I can see how that's not very distracting. I can also see how you could maybe just wear this on its own. You don't even need to treat it as a primer. You can use it for that plummy brown color for that sort of effect. So I'm very curious about this, to be honest. I kind of want to use it on its own and see how it looks, but I'm going to tuck this away in the mascara stash for right now because I've got one open already. I don't like to have multiples open at the same time, more than 2, and I'm just like, I don't know how to keep up because they go bad so fast. So like I want to use them, but like if I'm using too many, I'm gonna forget about them. So this is going in the stash, and I am happy to add it to the stash because it seems like it's bringing something different, something unique and interesting to the party. So overall for me, this is another really crappy Petit Vour box. 2 of these products contain fragrant ingredients that can be very reactive to skin, and I don't think it's something I want to put on my skin. Now, not everyone has the same concerns and ingredient strictness as I do, because not everyone's skin is the same. This is not something I want to put on my skin, and that automatically makes these 2 products kind of meh for me. I don't remember whether I liked this product or not, but I just generally don't love getting Goldfaden MD products. I just don't generally like their stuff. So we'll see how this goes, but at least it's something I'll use. And this is probably the most interesting product to me, this mascara primer. I'm the most excited to try this, and it's really the only one I'm jazzed about. So I'm going to kind of give this a really bad grade. For me personally, I could see where if you didn't have the same ingredient restrictions for yourself, that you maybe would give this a higher grade, but I'm going to give this like a D. I'm really not about this box. They've really been stinking it up in 2023 for me. I'm not loving Petit Vour so far. I will obviously keep getting them and keep sharing them with you, but I'm not vibing with it right now. I really ain't. So that is everything I have to share with you guys today. And if you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, hit that subscribe button. And otherwise, I'll talk to you all later. Bye.